Hey guys, so let's talk about what comes in your pharmacy starter kit when you become a beauty influencer. What do you get? So firstly, it comes in this really cute little box. Somehow I managed to order the bilingual one because it is the only one that they offered, and majority of my stuff is in Spanish. And I can't read Spanish, so that's fun. Guess I'll use most of my stuff online as far as the little books and instruction type things. I don't even know how I managed to do that. When I bought my starter kit, all there was the bilingual one to let other people try or to try it yourself. I got a sample sheet of the BB cream, a sample of the CC cream, and a sample of the garlic shampoo, which I'm actually really curious to try. It says it's a revitalizing shampoo. So that seems interesting. Along with your samples, you also get several little magazines, the catalogs for FARMASI with all of the products listed and all the pricing listed. And then you get these super cute little gift bags for FARMASI to put your products in for customers. You get a small version and you get a larger version. Both are very cute in my opinion. You also get a few instructional books, none of which I can read because they're in Spanish. So I'm gonna just look the materials up online because I sadly cannot read that. But so, you get your instruction books, your catalogs, your samples, your gift bags. Oh, and you get, how many did you get? 1, 2, 3, 5 of the little sample lipsticks. So that's everything that's included in your $19.99 startup fee and your beauty influencer box, the kit that comes. That's everything that's in there. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.